Hello everyone, welcome to the place to teach fun yoga poses for kids. Yoga Pose Universe. I'm Miss Rachel and here we like to do fun yoga based on different things. Today's pose is...
Big Bird. You try it.
Yeah, come on, don't be shy.
Oh, wrong foot.
Cheeky. Well done everyone. Shall we try it with some friends? Let's go.
Bird.
This is Big Bird,
You try
everybody.
it.
Stand like you're a still statue, but hold one leg and leave the other leg on the ground. A bit tricky, isn't it? Try to stay still as long as you can.
Tree.
Well done, everyone. And we'll do tree next time. See you soon for more Yoga Pose Universe. Goodbye.